Brighton Forest is a very desirable community with a long, inviting fence line entry. This neighborhood has a large community pool and a wonderful playground. Hey, thanks for stopping by at 2508 Woodleaf Court. We're going to go take a look around, and you have got to see this kitchen. Throughout the first floor, we have 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors. We also have double crown molding. This fireplace is a wood-burning fireplace with a raised hearth. This chef's dream kitchen has been beautifully appointed with 48-inch Wolf range and hood, a sub-zero refrigerator, a farmhouse sink, and gorgeous soapstone counters. Every detail has been accounted for, right down to glass front cabinets and cabinet pulls, latches, and lighting selected from Restoration Hardware. Gorgeous wood tread steps lead to the second floor, which boasts true hardwood flooring on both the landing and in the master bedroom. 9-foot ceilings abound, and beautiful crown molding is in every room. This master bedroom has stunning Restoration Hardware lighting, gorgeous crown molding, and double custom closets. This master bathroom is gorgeously appointed with an expansive frameless walk-in shower with dual shower heads, a stunning clawfoot soaking tub, floor-to-ceiling custom tile, marble countertops, and dual vanities, as well as a makeup counter. This room, while currently used as a bedroom, is easily flexed into a bonus room with access to the attic through walk-up stairs. 2508 Woodleaf Court is perfectly positioned on a cul-de-sac lot with private, wooded HOA land behind the home. While enjoying your new screened porch overlooking the private backyard, you may just forget that you're just a few minutes to shopping in any direction.